Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Alan G. White. With good books that ennoble the mind. June 20th. We choose to please God in all we do. Blessed is he that readeth. Revelation chapter 1 verse 3. We made it a practice to read instructive and interesting books with the Bible in the family circle, and our children were always happy as we thus entertained them. Thus we prevented a reckless desire to be out in the streets with young companions, and at the same time cultivated in them a taste for solid reading. The volumes of the Spirit of Prophecy should be in every family and should be read aloud in the family circle. The Testimonies contained instructions which meets the case of all, both parents and children. Should these be read aloud to the entire family, the children as well as the parents would be benefited by the counsels, warning and reproofs. Let the time be devoted to reading of the scriptures and other interesting books that will impart knowledge and inculcate right principles. Let the best reader be selected to read aloud while other members of the family are engaged in useful occupation. Thus, these evenings at home may be made both pleasant and profitable. Children need proper reading which will afford amusement and recreation and not demoralize the mind or weary the body. Most children are young, and young people will have reading matter, and if it is not selected for them, they will select it for themselves. They can find a ruinous quality of reading anywhere, and they soon learn to love it. But if pure and good reading is furnished them, they will cultivate taste for that. By practicing right doing, a disgust will be created in the heart for that which is low, cheap, and disorderly. Pure, healthful reading will be to the mind what health food is to the body. You will thus become stronger to resist temptation, to form right habits, and to act upon right principles. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.